On today's show, we're going to create a nice little shrimp dish, a creamy coconut shrimp that we're then going to take and we're going to put that on top of a nice bed of rice. And you know what? That would probably be just as good on a nice bed of creamy grits. So you'd have yourself a creamy coconut shrimp and grits. Hey, something to try. Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. We got everything we need right here. So let's go ahead and get started on our creamy coconut shrimp right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our creamy coconut shrimp. We've got all our ingredients. Let's take a look at that right now. We got some shrimp. We got about maybe a pound, half a pound of small shrimp. The 60 count to a pound, 60, 80 count to a pound. So we got a nice thing of shrimp. We got some butter, a couple of tablespoons of butter. Got a little bit of smoked paprika right there. Smoked paprika, there it is, okay. So, we've got some oil. We got about a half an onion kind of sort of diced up. We got a couple of cloves of garlic that we ran over the zester. We got about a quarter to half teaspoon of ground ginger. And then right here we got, well, that's going to be what I think 2 teaspoons of lemon juice powder. Got about, again, another half to quarter to half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We've got 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. We've got some hot sauce right here. We've got about 8 ounces of tomatoes, the peeled, diced tomatoes you get out of the can. Don't put a lot of that juice in there. Just kind of strain them out. And then what I'll do is I'll crunch those up with a potato masher to mash my tomatoes. Anyway, and then right here we've got some unsweetened coconut milk. That's about 8 ounces. We got some agave nectar to add just a little sweetness, and then we have a couple of tablespoons of heavy cream, and we got a little bit of basil that's kind of sort of find its way into our creamy coconut shrimp. So I tell you what, let's go ahead. Let's see, I got my cast iron Dutch oven. I'm going to turn that up. Hopefully it's not too hot. Let's see what we got. Okay, perfect. I just kind of preheated. I want to make sure we weren't going to have brown butter to saute our shrimp in. So anyway, we don't. So I'm going to come in here. We're going to get that nice and melted just like so. All right, so while that's kind of doing its thing, I'm going to come in here. We're going to add our smoked paprika to our shrimp. Come in here with a little bit of salt, like so. Not a lot, because we got a little bit of that salt in our Cajun seasoning. Add a little bit of black pepper. Hey, we got heat in our cayenne and our Cajun seasoning. Thank you, Dave. And now we're just gonna come in here and we're just gonna kind of toss these around just like so to get them all nice and coated, just like so. And then, voila, in they go, just like that. We're gonna cook these maybe a minute, at the most 2 minutes, get them nice and pink. Then we're going to take them out, and then we're going to begin getting to our creamy coconut base. Oh man, I tell you what, it's been right at about 2 minutes. I think we're good. So let's see, we're going to put this guy right here because I'm sure I'm going to use him in a minute. Now we're going to come in with our slotted spoon, and we're just going to remove our little small shrimps. Just like that. Heck yeah. Making some noise, of course. Why not? Okay. Voila, just like that. Now, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to wipe this out and get ready for sweating our onions. Heck yeah. All right, I'll tell you what. Like I said, we're just gonna wipe this out, kind of, not making it nice and clean or anything, but just kind of get a little bit of that liquid out because we're getting ready to add some more liquid. We've got what is that? That's about a tablespoon of oil right there. Get our spoon back. I tell you what, it's starting to, it's doing a little dancing because we're on about medium heat. And I'm going to come in here with our onion, just like so, and we're going to sweat this down for about 3-4 minutes. Heck yeah, man, we getting going, and this is going to be some good stuff coming up here. I'd say probably in about 10 minutes. Heck yeah. Tell you what, man, those are looking good and they smell pretty good. Ain't nothing better than an onion kind of sort of sweating itself down. Now we're gonna come in and we're gonna add our ginger, which was, I believe, it's in between a quarter and a half. I don't know, what is that, maybe a 3/8, but I don't even know if they make a 3/8 measuring spoon. Anywho, so now I'm gonna come in with our garlic, which is about 2 cloves. I kind of, like I said, I just kind of knocked that thing out, grated it on that microplane, put that in here. Now I'm gonna grab our, what do we got? We got 3 nice, healthy, let's see, you went away for a second. Basil leaves. We're gonna take these and we're just gonna kind of roll them on top of themselves, just like so. And then, what is that? That's a piece of the stem. Grab our knife, and I believe they call this a chiffonade, and you just kind of come in here and just kind of very carefully slice this up, just like so. I'll give it a nice little pop right in the middle. And we're gonna add this in here, just like so. Voila. And we're just gonna let this go for probably another 10 seconds to go. And oh man, the smells are awesome. Heck yeah, we need smell-o-vision. Yes, we do. So we've got that. Now I'm gonna come in here and we're going to add our lemon juice powder and our cayenne. There's our Cajun seasoning. Come in here with our hot sauce. I don't know, a couple of nice dashes like so. That get close to the edge. We're gonna come in. Oh man, now you get that vinegar from that Louisiana hot sauce. And I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna kind of sort of back away a little bit because boom, getting hit with that spice. Now I'm gonna come in here with our tomatoes, just like so. I'm gonna turn that down on about a medium low, and we're gonna simmer this for about 5 minutes. Let all those flavors come out and then kind of sort of get back together. Heck yeah! Oh man! All right, I tell you what, we've got that little tomato onion mixture has been simmering for supposed to be 3 to 5 minutes. You know, it's closer to 5 minutes for me, but I tell you what, that is looking good and smelling awesome. Now I'm going to come in with our unsweetened coconut, not that stuff you make pina coladas with. So we're going to come in, we're going to add that. Oh wow, check that out. Heck yeah. Oh my, I'm coming here. We're going to carefully, what are we going to do with this? We'll stick this right here. Carefully stir that in. And then come in here with a couple of little, oh, that wasn't a dash, was it? 1, 2, there we are. That's a little better. Little squirts of agave nectar. Now I'm going to come in here with a little bit of just plain heavy cream. We're going to combine this all together, and then we're going to let this simmer for, I'm going to say probably 5, 8, 10 minutes. We're going to I'm going to turn this up to about medium because I want to bring it up to a nice little a slow boil or rolling simmer. I don't know. Anyway, I just want to try to reduce that liquid content down just a tad before we take our shrimp, put them in here, take our plate, get some rice, and then top that on top of our rice. Hey, heck yeah, that is, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh man. All right, I tell you what. Oh man, that smells delicious. It's been, you know what? I gave this about 10 minutes or so, and this nice little, hopefully you can see that nice little simmer. Just a little bit of bubbles in there, and we have reduced this down a little bit, so it's got a little bit of thickness to it. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and add our shrimp. We really don't have to do a lot to that. Sorry for the noise. But all we really need to do is just kind of sort of heat these shrimp up and get them back to being nice and warm. And you know, I probably should have added a little bit more shrimp. No, don't worry about it. It's just gonna be delicious. But I tell you, we're gonna let these kind of heat up for about another minute and a half. Then we're gonna be ready to plate our creamy coconut shrimp over rice. All right, wow, I think we are there. We got some nice little steam coming up off of there. The shrimp are, I do believe, nice and warm. I think I'll just leave you right there, but I think we can retire him. You know what? We got us a nice little small plate right here. Heck yeah. Got a little bit of jasmine rice here. Kind of molded it in there. I don't know. You could do whatever makes you happy. Got a little bit of garnish of some basil leaves. So I tell you what, let's grab that and our garnish right there. And we're going to come in here. We're going to top our jasmine rice. And again, it doesn't have to be jasmine rice. It can be any rice you would like. I just had jasmine rice, and it also kind of sort of, in my opinion, kind of goes well with that coconut, unsweetened coconut milk. So we're going to come in here just like that and top this. Heck yeah, just like so. Come on, let go. Heck yeah. And we'll come in here with some of our creamy little sauce. Heck yeah, just like so. Why not? Come on. Here we are. Voila. Heck yeah, just like that. Voila. And I tell you what, let's see. We will do something. Bingo. Voila. Just like that. Creamy coconut shrimp topped on a bed of rice. Man, that is smelling delicious. Heck yeah, just like that. Wow. Oh, there it is right there. That is our creamy coconut shrimp, and we got it topped on jasmine rice. Delicious. Speaking of delicious, and look what I got here. I got a spoon. I tell you what, let's give this a nice little shot right here. Heck yeah, not a lot. And I'm going to try not to make a mess. And let's see what we got. Uh-oh, had a little droppage there. No problem. Wow, that is, man, heck yeah, that's delicious. I hope y'all give this a try, man. I tell you what, yum, yum. So for the recipe, check out the description below. Got a link, take you right there, download it, and then you can make your own little creamy coconut shrimp served over rice. Hey, speaking of a shrimp dish, right down there, how about our Voodoo shrimp and grits? Unbelievable, that is great. And then right there, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.